What if the most dangerous thing in space isn't a black hole? In the vast darkness of space, far beyond our galaxy by thousands or even millions of light years, there exist some of the most extreme objects in the universe. Stars no larger than 20 to 30 kilometers in diameter, yet powerful enough to possess the strongest magnetic fields ever discovered. Tiny in size, but with influence stretching across thousands, perhaps even millions, of kilometers. These mysterious cosmic objects are known as Magnetar, the magnetic monsters of the universe. Among the rarest and most extreme objects ever observed, Magnetars are a special type of neutron star, born from the violent death of massive stars. When a giant star collapses after a supernova explosion, what remains is an incredibly dense object, compressed into a sphere only about 20 to 30 kilometers wide, yet sometimes carrying more mass than our Sun itself. But what truly makes these stars terrifying is not their size, it is their unimaginable magnetic power. A magnetar's magnetic field can be up to 1,000 trillion times stronger than Earth's magnetic field, making it the most powerful known magnetic force in the universe. Unlike black holes, magnetars do not need to swallow matter to become deadly. Their danger comes from something far more violent: deadly radiation, powerful bursts of gamma rays, and magnetic eruptions capable of disrupting matter at an atomic level. If a refrigerator magnet seems powerful to us, and Earth's magnetic field protects life from solar storms and cosmic radiation, then a magnetar exists on an entirely different scale. Earth's magnetic shield can withstand solar storms strong enough to create the northern lights and occasionally disrupt satellites, but a sufficiently close magnetar could overwhelm that protection, potentially damaging Earth's atmosphere and flooding the planet with dangerous radiation. And perhaps the most terrifying part? All of this power is compressed into an object no larger than a city. Here, power is not measured by size, but by how much energy can be trapped inside something impossibly small. In 2004, scientists recorded one of the most violent cosmic events ever observed. A magnetar known as SGR 1806-20 released a colossal burst of energy known as a giant flare. Despite being located roughly 50,000 light-years away, the explosion was so powerful that it caused slight disturbances in Earth's upper atmosphere and was detected by satellites across the solar system. Magnetars are also terrifyingly dense. Just a teaspoon of neutron star material could weigh billions of tons on Earth. The exact density varies depending on the star, but the numbers are almost impossible for the human mind to comprehend. These stars also spin at incredible speeds, not measured in hours, but in seconds. Some rotate once every few seconds, while others spin even faster. Combined with their violent magnetic fields, this rotation generates enormous amounts of energy and radiation powerful enough to strip electrons from atoms nearby. Despite decades of space research and observation, magnetars remain among the universe's greatest mysteries. Their extreme rarity and violent nature make them incredibly difficult to study, leaving scientists with more questions than answers. And this leads us to a terrifying thought experiment. What if a magnetar existed close to Earth? What would happen to our planet and to life itself? If a magnetar were close enough in cosmic terms, its radiation and magnetic eruptions could potentially destroy part of Earth's ozone layer, expose life to deadly cosmic radiation, disrupt technology on a global scale, and possibly trigger catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. But another question naturally follows. Isn't the Sun also a star? What will happen when it dies? Could it one day become a magnetar? Scientifically, the answer is no. The Sun simply does not have enough mass to become a neutron star or a magnetar. In roughly 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant before eventually collapsing into a white dwarf. Magnetars are only formed from stars many times more massive than our Sun. So perhaps the most terrifying truth is this: some of the deadliest things in the universe are not the largest. Sometimes the greatest cosmic danger comes from something no bigger than a city, hiding silently in the darkness of space.